Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Carlson from the Grove Animal Hospital and Holistic Center. And this morning I'm going to be discussing case 00432, a Husky Doberman mix, age 3, male neutered. The symptoms of lymphoma with current treatment of prednisone and herbal remedies given at home. So the question is what, how, and why. So lymphoma is the what, which means we have damage to the lymphatic system, so the lymph nodes, white blood cells, includes the fluid from the intestinal tract as well. It's called chyle, and that makes up the reserve for blood volume as well. So when those lymph nodes are swollen, we have swollen lymph nodes due to white blood cell mutation. So those lymph nodes just keep asking for white cells, but there's no shut-off mechanism, and they keep accumulating in the lymph nodes, and they get bigger and bigger. So, but what happens? So, and in this case, we get a couple of things happening. First of all is weakness from a weak allergy response in the lower part of the body, a weak kidney, so weak filtration, and stressed liver. So these kidney and liver is the two big filters that filter out toxins. So what happens, it leads to toxin, which leads to cell mutation through the mechanism of homotoxicology. And here I've laid out the three phases, or really the 6 phases. The healthy phase is phase 1, 2, or 3, so expulsion is vomiting or diarrhea. Phase 2 is inflammation, like skin inflammation. And 3 is deposition, like a lipoma or cyst or granuloma. But if we start to get into these lower phases, we get decompensation of the lymphatic network, degeneration of the lymphatic network, and then cell mutation. And that's where we went to the 6th phase of toxic imbalance. So how do we remedy that? Well, first of all, we got to rebalance the kidney, also the allergens through the spleen, and the liver through the hemp oil infusion that we put together. And so that's going to rebalance. It's 5 drops a day for 3 months. So it takes 3 months to rebalance. In the meantime, we want to work with diet, no carbohydrates, and we want to consider fats and protein as being our main source, especially the omega-6 fatty acids, and also adding supplements from Standard Process, AC carbamide specific for the kidney, cleanse the blood. Cataplex B is a B vitamin complex for the liver, speeds that up. So we increase B vitamin levels to help liver function better. And then the lower part of the body do a splenic cleanse. So those 3 things together. And prednisone is going to control the swelling. You can continue the herbs just fine with what you're doing right now, but these are the additives that we're going to be putting together to try to control the lymphoma. Once lymphoma starts, once we get cell mutation, it can be challenging, but at the same time, until we get things rebalanced, we've got, we're going to keep battling it. But the steroids should keep things under control until that first wave is done, which 3 months from now we'll do an evaluation. If there's questions, go to our email, or Grow Pets. I believe it's growpets at Gmail. I'm sorry. I usually say Yahoo. Sorry about that. So growpets@gmail.com for email questions. I think you've used that earlier for some questions you had, which is great. Give us a call, 847-541-4005 for direct questions and get your questions answered that you might have. The products, I think we talked about availability and getting those to you. So I apologize that the video has taken some time. I had some mechanical difficulty with the video, but we're back on track, and hopefully this video makes a difference for you. Thanks so much.